Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some truly mind-blowing news from the depths of space. A brand new, stunning image of the Interstellar Comet 3I, Atlas has just been released. And it's revealing some incredible secrets about this cosmic visitor. This isn't just any comet, it's a traveler from another star system, and what it's doing right now has astronomers buzzing with excitement. So, what's all the fuss about? Well, this new image, captured by the brilliant team at the Virtual Telescope Project, shows that the comet's iron tail has grown dramatically. It's longer, more structured, and just absolutely beautiful. This isn't just a pretty picture, though. This explosive growth is a clear sign that the comet is becoming much more active as it gets closer to our sun. Think of it like a cosmic popsicle that's starting to melt under a giant heat lamp. And we have a front row seat to the show. The image itself is a masterpiece of modern astronomy. It was taken by robotic telescopes in Italy, combining 18 separate 2-minute exposures to create one crystal-clear view. And get this, they managed to capture this incredible detail, even with the comet being low on the horizon and a bright, nearly full moon lighting up the sky. That just goes to show how powerful our technology has become. So, let's break down what we're actually seeing. Comets typically have two kinds of tails, a dust tail and an iron tail. The iron tail, which is the star of the show here, is what you often see as a long, straight, bluish streak. It forms when the sun's powerful ultraviolet radiation zaps the gas coming off the comet's core, stripping away electrons and turning the gas into charged particles or ions. These ions then get caught in the solar wind, that constant stream of particles, blowing out from the sun and are pushed straight away from it. This is why a comet's iron tail always points directly away from the sun. No matter which way the comet itself is traveling, it's like a cosmic windsock, always showing the direction of the solar breeze. The other tail, the dust tail, is made of heavier particles that aren't as easily pushed around. It tends to be yellowish-white and gently curves along the comet's orbital path. In this new image of 3I, Atlas, we can clearly see its bright core, called the coma, and this sharply defined iron tail stretching across the sky. To give you some perspective, the tail appears to be about 1.5 times the width of the full moon in the sky. And there's another cool feature visible: a faint anti-tail. This is a bit of an optical illusion. It looks like a short tail pointing towards the sun, but it's actually just dust that the comet has left behind in its orbit, viewed from our specific angle on Earth. It's like looking at the wake of a boat from the side. You can see it spreading out in both directions. The most important takeaway here is the significant increase in activity. Compared to earlier photos, 3I's ATLAS is clearly venting much more gas and dust. This happens because as the comet gets closer to the sun, the solar heat causes the ices on its surface to turn directly into gas, a process called sublimation. The more heat, the more sublimation, and the more spectacular the comet becomes. This growing tail tells us that the comet is reacting very strongly to our sun's influence. Now, let's talk about why 3I's ATLAS is such a big deal. It is only the third confirmed interstellar object we have ever detected in our solar system. The first was the mysterious, cigar-shaped Oumuamua back in 2017. And the second was Comet 2I Borisov in 2019. Oumuamua was gone before we could get a really good look. And while Borisov was interesting, it was quite faint. But 3I's ATLAS is different. It's bright enough for even ground-based telescopes to study in great detail. This gives astronomers an unprecedented, golden opportunity to observe how a comet from another star system behaves when it enters our neighborhood. It's like a visiting alien species brought a sample of their home planet's geology right to our doorstep. What can we learn from this? Well, The composition of the gas and dust being released can tell us a lot about the place where this comet was born. Early data suggests that 3I Atlas might have a high concentration of carbon dioxide ice. If that's true, it provides clues about the conditions in its home planetary system. Was it colder there? Was the chemistry different? By studying the materials in this comet, we can piece together a picture of a distant solar system many light years away. It's a form of interstellar archaeology, and it's happening right now. Every new observation helps us understand not just this one object, but also how comets in general evolve, both within and beyond our own solar system. The journey of 3I Atlas through our cosmic backyard is far from over, and the Virtual Telescope Project, along with observatories around the world, will continue to track it. As it gets even closer to the sun, we can expect its activity to ramp up even more. Who knows what other surprises it might have in store for us? Will the tail get even longer? Will it reveal other unexpected chemical compounds? These are the exciting questions that keep astronomers on the edge of their seats. This is a perfect example of how dynamic and fascinating our universe is. We're constantly discovering new things, and sometimes the universe sends a special delivery right to us. The study of 3I Atlas is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless drive to understand our place in the cosmos. It's a reminder that there's a vast, unexplored universe out there, with countless other star systems, each with its own story to tell. And right now, we're getting to read a chapter from one of them. What do you think we'll learn from this interstellar visitor? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I'd love to hear your theories and ideas. Thank you so much for joining me today for this exciting space update. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date on all the latest astronomical discoveries, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a thing. Until next time, keep looking up.